the screw is exactly here. That's no good. This here is the culprit. Oh man. Let's do some repairing here. Get this stuff out. Prep it all and then we should be good. I don't like that goo in my hand. Take one out and put it on that thing. That should do the trick, I think. It's all in the prep, they say. Come on, get in there. Right, that's ready to go. Rammer is okay. Let's get a few pliers and pull that thing out. That went in a real nasty way. I may even have to try to screw it out. That's a heck of a screw. Let's see. Maybe we get any bubbles here. Yeah, that's definitely gone through. Just move the camera on a different spot so you see it a bit better. 1 second. So. That goes in an angle, that damn thing. Oh, now it's... Hey, that's it. Fixing your tires on the road is really part of the deal. I mean, it's not exactly like fueling up your motorbike, but you know, it will happen. There's never a question about it. Eventually, you have a problem. So, don't forget to take your tire kit with you, because otherwise, you're screwed. And before I forget, don't miss out on a half-decent compressor. They don't have to be big, because you have time. As long as they inflate your tires, you are golden. Talking about little compressors, this is mine. It's from Anti-Gravity Batteries. I have the battery pack for many years and it works perfectly. So at the same time I bought myself this one, and that is wired via a little cable who goes, and I'll show you that. It goes to this plug, what is wired directly to my battery. I have to put that on tight because otherwise the air doesn't go in. Causes a racket. I switched the engine off so it gets 14 volts instead of 12, and nearly there. In the middle of the red. Anyhow, so hold on a second. Where's this thing here? Oh, over here. Can you see me? Good. So the story is, get yourself a little compressor. They don't weigh much, they're not too big, and you get your bike fixed in no time. Yeah, this little thing does the trick, weighs nothing, nice and small. Perfect.